What I'm doing here is I'm going to replace the belt for this right blade on this Scag 61-inch mower deck. You can see how the belt's just torn up, and the first thing you need to do in replacing these belts is relieve the tension in the belt so you can get it off. And I need to take this bigger belt off so I can get the broken belt on and the new belt on. And the way you do that is you relieve the tension in these spring-loaded pulleys here using a 1/2 inch extension like so. And there's one here and there's one here. So I'm first gonna take off this bigger pulley or belt because it's in the way, and then take this one off. And then I can install the new one. On here. And then put this one back. And with the broken belt free, I can take it off. Get that out of the way, and then there's some old pieces that are wrapped around this pulley. Take that off. That's clean, and then I can install the new one. And then I got to release the tension in this this tension pulley here. It is on. You want to double check your work, and if you look over here you can see that the belt fell off that pulley. Well, I was taking it off and putting it back on. Need to release the tension again. That is tight. And then that's on, and just double check everything. Also, when you're double checking your work, make sure you check this pulley here on the electric clutch that engages the engine power to the mower deck. Let's try it out. And that's it. I will post a diagram of the belts and the parts diagram so you can see which pulleys they wrap around. And that's it. Thanks for watching.